Welcome to Nigeria, a land of rich history and diverse culture. From ancient civilization to modern-day achievements, Nigeria's story began with ancient civilizations like Nok, Igbo Ugo and Benin Empire. Also city-states and Yoruba kingdoms thrived, showcasing our resilience. British colonization brought significant changes, but our spirit remained unbroken. We fought for independence, and on October 1st, 1960, Nigeria was born. We became a republic in 1963 with Nnamdi Azikiwe as our first president. Challenges arose, but we persevered, strengthening our democracy. Today, Nigeria is a vibrant nation, rich in culture and resources. We continue to strive for greatness, embracing our diversity. Nigeria history is a testament to our strength and resilience. Join us in celebrating our heritage and shaping a brighter future. Celebrate freedom, celebrate Nigeria. On October 1st, we commemorate the bravery and resilience of our nation forefathers 64 years ago. Nigeria gained independence, unleashing a dream of unity, progress, and freedom. At Yampa Hotels, we celebrate the spirit of independence with warmth and hospitality. Join us as we honor our nation's heritage and create unforgettable memories. Indulge in rich Nigerian cuisine and vibrant cultural experiences. Book now and enjoy exclusive Independence Day packages. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria! May our nations become to strive. At Yampa Travels and Yampa Hotel, where comfort meets celebration, today we commemorate a day that holds great significance for the vibrant Nigerian community. Within our church, congregation, and beyond, we lift our voice in prayers for continued peace, prosperity, and unity in Nigeria, for the strength and well-being of every Nigerian individual who is part of our cherished community, whether near or far. We are united in spirit, in faith, and in love. Happy Nigerians Independence Day. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.